Hi, it's Justin Costello coming to you from MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler Superstore. I'm aboard a brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 380 Realm. This is an amazing boat, yacht, machine, cruise, fish, dive, very utilitarian. You can see we got covers for all of these seats. Everything under this massive hardtop is climate controlled, air conditioning and heat. Got a large prep center here with a live well, as well as a barbecue grill. We also have a large 230 quart refrigerator slash freezer here. It's controlled with a digital thermostat. Boat is equipped with the triple 16-inch Raymarine screen system, Seakeeper stabilized, joystick piloting, and just an amazing protected cruising area here. This patented design on the windshield. You can lift this up, hydraulic assist, and now we're completely enclosed in. Tons of space. And then we got a nice size cabin here. Beautiful wood. This table does lower, and this converts to a sleeping berth. Great headroom, flat screen television. We got another refrigeration down here, hot and cold water sink, and then a separate bulkhead here in the back with a bathroom, vacuum flush toilet, vessel sink, as well as a shower sprayer nozzle, and then direct access up to the bow. So now look at all this space. Look how deep these gunnels are. Comes up to my chest. I'm 5'10". Very safe. Integrated storage on the side of the boat. Again, lounger, table configuration. Press a button, the table will go down. This turns into a large sun pad bathing area here. Speakers, tons of USBs, plugs everywhere, 12-volt plugs everywhere, cup holders. This is here to see MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a call, 954-633-2070. It's a Boston Whaler 380 Realm.